Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After the unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI, on this video we are going to focus on the offered menus and features for the H11 smartwatch. So on this video we are going to explore the different options, the features loaded to the wearable. So if you are interested to know more about the H11 smartwatch, if you are planning to get this one but you want to know first the features loaded to it, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the menus and features of the H11 smartwatch, an outdoor style, rugged style smartwatch. So here's the UI of the H11. On top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the different apps here. On the left side we have the one page dashboard for the apps. On the right side we have the widgets. You can add or remove the functions here or the components. As you can see, you can have the plus sign and the minus sign to remove it. Okay, so the screen display here is, or the power button here is a rotary button. You can use it to change the watch face. To activate here the flashlight, just double press also to turn off. To access the main menu, just press the power button once. As you can see here, we do have the bubble type. Okay, so let's change this to the list type. There's an option, so we can check or we can see the name of the apps. Style number 5. So style number 5 is the list menu. So here are the features. We have the sports functions. Okay, we have several sports here: free training, gymnastic, hip hop, jump rope, climb, rowing machine, run, squat, stepper, stretch. Okay, what else? So we have a lot of sports functions here. Okay, we have sleep monitoring, pedometer. We also have here a heart rate for the health, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. There's also a message notifications. We have a Bluetooth call with support for call history, contacts, and dial pad. We have the Bluetooth music, weather report, breathing guide. We have a calculator here, alarm, sedentary reminder. We have a stopwatch, remote control for photos, voice assistant. We also have here a find phone feature, a game. We have a car race. We have a torch. Okay, so the torch can be activated by a menu or the ground button. So we have a short control for video, short on our YouTube short or TikTok. We have a calendar, support for social apps such as WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp application. We have a drink water reminder. For women, we do have the menstrual cycle reminder. We have the settings here for the language support, the QR code for the app. We have the app view. So several options here, as you can see. The scrolling is not that smooth, but okay, still functions. Okay, select. Then what else do we have here? Additional health function here. We do have the uric acid, blood sugar monitoring, and blood fat monitoring. Okay, scroll down. Here are the features. On the settings, we have personal information. We have notice options. This is the option or settings for the message notifications. We have the general here, do not disturb mode, display and brightness. Okay, can change it. What's that? Yes, 60 seconds, 1 minute. Dynamic island, shake to answer, bedside lamp mode. We have time settings. You can change it to 12 or 24-hour format time. You can also change the time here without going directly to the support app. Okay, sound and touch. Okay, we have password security and we have SOS support. Okay, so it's a fully loaded outdoor style smartwatch, the H11 smartwatch with a Lexus Fit application for its support app. Okay, so what do you think of this wearable? Again, here are the menus and features. So let's scroll down. Okay, we have breathing guide, calculator. We also have AI voice assistant. Only one game here, car race. Okay, is it good? Does it cover the basics or the features that you need? Drop a comment below. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of menus and features of the H11 smartwatch powered by the Lexus Fit support app. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe.